Hi everyone, I'm going to install the PyCharm IDE for Python development in this tutorial. So let's go straight to the point. Search for PyCharm in the browser and look for jetbrains.com. Go to the download section and download the community free open source version of the PyCharm IDE. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. This is the default path for the IDE. I will select all these options from the installer. But before restart or reboot, I want to make sure that everything is set up properly in the PyCharm. So the main thing at start, I need to set some settings, just like the fonts or the theme for the IDE. So I can run the IDE from the created desktop shortcut, and by default it's a Dart theme. Yeah, I like this theme. So if you want to change, you can go to customize and select any other theme. Other thing I want to change is the font. The IDE font can be changed, otherwise I will prefer the editor font to be set to 14. So after reboot, I have opened the PyCharm IDE. Everything is set up. We just need to create a virtual environment for our projects. I will tick on those two options to inherit the global site packages and make available to all projects. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes to create the virtual environment. You can hide the tip of the day. Okay, so the project is loaded here with main.py and it has some code already available to run. Okay, I will remove this breakpoint here on line 9, then just move to run and click on run to test this provided example. I want to make sure if the virtual environment is ready properly, so I can check this by going to File and Settings, and I can navigate to Project, Python project, yeah, and here the interpreter. So the installed Python interpreter is detected and it has all those packages installed and available for all projects in the PyCharm IDE. So this is great, and we are ready to write our program. I can delete this entire program and I will just add a simple print instruction here, and I can again execute the program by clicking on this play button, the green button, or I can again navigate to run and run the code. So it's pretty easy. So I will continue in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.